Hello friends, today I am going to draw nephron structure. For that I have a pencil and a black marker. Let's start. Before drawing nephron structure we have to practice how to make loops and tubule bands. Structure of nephron is all about how you draw loops and bands. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell icon. Try as much as you can. Practicing parallel lines for arteries and veins. Now we only have to attach some loops and bands together. Our practice is over. Draw a circle, a band coming out of it, then a loop, a band again, then a loop, extending it, now a band, a loop, then some bends. Now we are drawing arteries and veins. Overlapping on some areas. You have to focus on this area. If you want, you can outline this with the help of black marker, and you can also color the diagram. Our structure of nephron is ready. Thank you for watching.